episode with me, the Bassinator. Doing things a little bit different. Got my little bass corner going here. So, yeah, gonna have some opportunities to sit here and have a chat with you guys, and maybe even have someone to chat with every once in a while. I think that'll be pretty cool. Let me know if you guys would like to see something like that. I think it could be fun. Today we're gonna start a little bit with what I'm going to be setting up for the on Saturday. I'm having a comp, the Outcast Club comp. So we are having it at Ridge Spray Dam in Itties. A lot of small fish at this dam. Once in a while you hear of a big fish coming out, but most of the time it's small baits. So yeah, I will set up what I'm going to be using for that Saturday, and you're going to join me in this this little adventure. Cool, let's get started, eh? So I've got a couple of rods that I'm going to be setting up, and obviously I'll set up quite a few things that I think might work. I haven't been to Red Spraits in a while, so it could be fishing totally different to what I'm thinking, but from the few times that I have fished there, with the TBC and with the Outcast, certain baits have worked the best, and I've done pretty well in these comps, so at these specific games. So I think I'm going to just stick to that type of finesse, yeah, like a finesse fishing that does better there. But I'll definitely be setting up a frog for the top water morning bite, and I even find in the grassy areas in the afternoon the bass like to go for the frog there, so I think it could work. The frog that I'm going to be using will be the Itties Secret Baits Junior frog, which I'll show you in a bit. So as you see, this is one of the junior frogs from Itties Secret Baits. One of the colors. Really has been a fantastic bait. Sometimes you find some of the other baits, other frogs are a little bit tougher, and you actually miss a lot of bites, or you miss a lot of fish, not a lot of bites. So I think that's gonna be my morning and afternoon throw around, and I'm sure I'll catch it. So I've got confidence in this bait. It's really has been one of those baits that has done very good for me. This and the hollow body frog, which I like to use the 3D Savage Gear frog. It's just the bait that is my favorite. I love throwing it around. I am using the Akuma frogging rod, and I have found these Akuma range are really super solid. Like, I've been so impressed with the rods, the tactical specs. And this one is a 7.4, and it's heavy action. So obviously, I mean, throwing frogs. I mean, like I said, like if you watch my channel, you will see that when I throw a frog, hollow body, or this frog, I throw it literally onto land behind reeds in the hardest of places to fish. You just throw it in there wherever there's a puddle of water. There's a fish sitting in there. And yeah, I'm fishing it on my Abu Garcia Revo SX, and this is a 7.1 gear ratio, and yeah, I think winds in nicely, and I've really enjoyed this reel with this combo. Can't go to that dam knowing that, you know, there's your average 500 gram fish there, and if it's still going the way I'm thinking it's going, you would probably need a 700 and 800 gram of fish as a, you know, the big one is the kicker, which is quite sad, but it's the truth. I mean, that's that dam, you know. So if you can pick up a 600 grammer and a 800 grammer, you're in the running to play with the top boys. But yeah, it's not an easy one, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do the drop shot on my coffee grinder. This I also got the Akuma, what was it? Akuma CMR. This little reel, it's also a gear ratio of 5. This little reel has been so impressive. That's paired up with it's a 6.6 medium light rod. So like a sensitive rod, and it seems to be working lekker. I've got 30-pound braid, and I got a leader of 8, I think this is 8 pounds, if I'm not mistaken, 8-pound fluorocarbon gamma. Yes, the gamma line. So yeah, I got that paired up. So yeah, okay, so let's go with, we're gonna do the drop shot. A lot of the times I'll have this open hook, especially if I know it's not going to be where I'm going to fish this. It's not going to be that grassy.
Wrong.
Yeah, I use the open exposed hook. Other than that, I do buy a lot of the hooks with the little weed guards on, which I really do enjoy throwing. But then I can throw in grass and many different places. So I'm going to be putting these on the drop shots. I've been throwing these around, and they've actually been working very, very well. I'll probably also look at throwing the Itties Secret, the G30s, I think it's not G4, yeah, G30s. These nice little, these smaller ones on the drop shot also flipping works very well. So yeah, most probably those two birds. Right, and then I think the third setup, I'm gonna go with a Texas rigged setup, but I'm gonna have a different little option on this. Instead of just having it straight Texas rigged, I think I'm gonna put a gummy stop on each side with a bead, so I can move it up for mojo, and if I feel that I can change it to Texas, I just slide it down and keep it as Texas. And whatever works, and when I retire, I'll just retire properly. But this gives me two options. I like doing that. Also running a 30-pound. So what I'm going to fish off this on the Texas rig or mojo will be, I think, one of 3, I'm maybe going to stick to one of 2 baits. Will be the Itties Secret Baits G60s, so it's nice big ones. I see the water and what clarity is like and what everything, then I might just change the color, either to a black with the yellow tail or just straight black with red. Or even a lighter color, it all depends on the day, but pretty much mojo to Texas rig is what I'll have on this setup. And on this I am fishing the Abu Garcia, the Varsity next generation. Yeah, this is a small rod, it's a short length 6 medium heavy, and I'm fishing this with the Abu Garcia or a SX, and this is a 6.4 ratio. So yeah, that's my other setup. One will be a weightless presentation on a 10-pound fluorocarbon. I'm using one of the outcast reels from Western Accessories. Very nice, lightweight reel. I haven't fished it that much, so I can't really give too much of a review. But so far, it's a decent reel, not too bad. Yeah, very light. It's got a nice feel to it. Decent rod, the various ties, and this one is a 7-foot medium. So I'm enjoying this reel, this rod. I've been using for other applications, but in this moment I've got it set up for this weightless fluke, and I'll probably also have a weightless Senko on the setup. So I'll try the fluke or the Senko if so. Yeah, guys, you know what to do next. Hit that subscribe button, and yeah, give me a comment. Let me know what you think of this. Something new, and maybe having guests I think could be fun, just once in a while. Anyways, guys, I'm moving my hands around too much. Have a good one. Tight lines. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.